Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Octoman, and this is my channel where you are. Today, I don't want to talk about a tutorial, or in this particular case, in this live stream. I want to get all your requests right now. I want to see what are you after, what do you want to learn in the future, and also what kind of ideas you probably have. Probably you have something you haven't seen before. Probably there's something you're looking for already like, I don't know, 5 months, 10 months, a week or two. Probably you need some help here and there. I would like to know and understand what you are after. So thanks a lot for Sora already sending out a dialog manager using notes request. I probably want to go into that, yeah, rather soon, I believe. So I just take a look into how we could, or how I would just manage all the nodes into each other. Same for yeah, how I would like to, I would, yeah, would actually manage all this input, like doing all the strings, putting them together, and also you need to have something like multiple choice, which needs to be implemented into this. So probably I'm gonna, actually, I will write everything down, which is coming in today. This live stream will also not be so long, probably about 5 to 10 minutes. So I hope some more people are coming in here. And I would like to know everything what you are after. Just don't be shy. Just don't watch. Please make sure that you write anything you need, anything you like to see it on my channel for free, of course. Make sure that you yeah, send your request. If you see this stream or this video later on, feel free to write in the comments below and make sure, yeah, that you put everything you can think of as your request. Um, so yeah, just let me know. And I will do some stuff here and there because it's just a project of mine. As you probably have seen already, it's a Bomberman type. I was already covering how to create this playfields automatically, or actually part of it, like all the green ones in here. Also, I started to create some yeah, AI which is bombing away pieces based on a distance to specific points. And also, I can lay down bombs. I'm this little cutie down below, which you have seen probably in one of the tutorials the last days or live streams these days. About dialogue nodes, like dialogue passes. Like if I pick this choice, go to this dialogue instead. Oh yeah, that's basically what I was talking about, Sora. So once again, thanks a lot for tuning in. And yeah, I believe you want to have something with a dragability or something like in a yeah, in a window where you can just easily connect these pieces together, probably. Or maybe, as you can see, these guys are bombing everything away, and they don't actually come after me, by the way. Um, so yeah, I would probably do something like a window manager or something where I can put these request nodes or these nodes into, and I can fill content inside. And I probably have like an input and an output field where I can basically go into and make sure that I connect these nodes depending on whatever these inputs or outputs are going to be, like whatever the choice of the player is basically, yeah, is going to be in here. Okay, cool. So I guess you understand that. I guess I understand your request. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look at this and want to, yeah, probably go into this in the next days. I'm not sure when I can actually deliver that, but it's an interesting, yeah, request actually. So anybody else? There are like 4 people watching the stream. Please, just write a message. Just type in what you are requesting. Please tell me what you want to see on this channel so I can go more for whatever you're looking for. Do you want me to repeat stuff? Do you want me to create bigger series, like how to create a specific type of game? Currently, I'm thinking about getting something a bit bigger, or probably I go back into the turn-based build system area and probably do stuff a bit easier, probably, or with different, yeah, let's say pinpoints. Just let me know. Write down everything in the comments or here in this active chat in the live stream. So you are live in here. So don't be shy. Just type it in. Type in, I want this, or I would like to see this or that. Just don't be shy. Just do it. Which one do you want to suggest, Sora? Like the turn-based battle system again, with different approaches, or what do you want to suggest? Ah, okay, cool. Yeah, I was thinking about that. So, like for example, using instead of a this enemy setups we have done or I've done before, I was thinking about using more like everything with scriptable objects, so we have more possibilities to drag around things and all the other stuff, and make our life easier. Also to simplify probably all this input stuff because the series is like 3 or 4 years old, but I still see a lot of people are still checking the series out and trying to get in touch with this turn-based battle stuff. Also, I get a lot of requests based on that, so that's why I was thinking about probably starting a rather new one, probably with which is a bit. I don't know, looking a bit better, maybe. I don't know. Even that, if that is not necessary in a prototyping state. By the way, what do you guys think about prototyping in general? Would you like to see something about how to do prototyping? I mean, how do you do it fast, or what would you need to know about prototyping in general? Or is there nothing which you would like to request in this case? And more like how to do this and how to do that. I don't know. Different systems maybe. Once again, I am currently looking for something which is probably a bit bigger or a bit smaller. I don't know. I just try to find it out and I just collect all this data and will create all these uh, things or all these tutorials like every day except probably on the weekends. I will do most of the time this in a live stream, just create that stuff, meanwhile talking about it, what I'm doing, and trying to explain everything, of course, and doing maybe half an hour to an hour per day. I try to. Sometimes it might not work, but that's my current aim, so I need a lot of material. So please let me know. Just write down in the comments or just here in the live stream chat. Feel free to do so. Don't be shy. Once again, I just want to get much more ideas about everything over here. So yeah, just let me know if you want to see something rather different. Do you want to see something more which I have created already or other people have created already so far, whatever. Just tell me. And once again, I write everything down. I will see what's the highest demand basically, and then I gonna start and produce these live streams so you can actually take a look. Also, these live streams, by the way, will always be available like an hour or two after the stream itself as a video. So even if you cannot be inside the live stream because I'm probably not in your time zone, and so it can happen that I'm not, or you are sleeping meanwhile I am, streaming and so on. So just let me know. Or maybe you want to learn more about particle systems. How about that? I mean, like effects, fireflies, I don't know, fireworks, whatever. Just fancy effects you might can use sooner or later in your games. Probably something more specific. Just let me know. Just tell me. And so I can actually, produce content only for you guys, so you can learn way more than you ever did, probably. And I already have some courses, by the way, on udemy.com. There are some links down in the description of this series here, where you can actually check out what I've done so far. So there's like Pac-Man in 3D. It's a complete course. I don't know, it takes 5 hours or so to complete, but then after this, you have a complete Pac-Man game, or whack-a-mole, for example, in a 3D manner, as well as several other ones like asteroids, where you shoot just asteroids, which are going to split away from each other, and you're gonna get score and all that stuff. So maybe you want to see something more like that here on YouTube directly. Just let me know. Just tell me everything you want to learn, and I try to show it to you. I want to teach you how this stuff is done. So I gonna, get my hands onto this and go into that. Make it probably, nice already, so you can see how yeah, the systems are going to be created. So on the long run, you probably get a better idea. And maybe you are a beginner in kind of Unity, and you probably want to have something like basics of C sharp. I don't know, something like what's a variable, what's a for loop, a while loop, what's a coroutine. I don't know. Just tell me. Tell me what you want to see over here. And whatever it is, I'm gonna check everything out. I will try to do my best to, yeah, do all or discover all of the requests you probably gonna have for me. So, but that's actually everything I wanted to tell you guys. Just make sure that you are writing down on the commands, since I will end the stream in just a second or in a minute maybe. Since I have said everything I wanted to say, just make sure to contact me on whichever way you like. Do your request, and probably, yeah, your request is going to become discovered tomorrow, except, well, not this tomorrow, but, another day tomorrow. Yeah, still, I'm a bit sad that not much people came here, but still. Hi, Andrew. Maybe saving data of character NPCs. Not a simple stuff like world position and health points, but the whole approach, how to do it properly if it has a bunch of data. Well, Andrew, if you probably have checked out the my latest saving and loading video or stream, it was like 2 or 3 days ago. I'm not 1% sure. Yes, I discovered only the world position, but what else do you think you gonna need to discover it over there? What is important for you to save? Yeah, on a character or on an NPC. What is the data you think? Hi, Sean. Let's see, what do you have? Would be cool if you could make a tutorial for an inventory system, kind of Final Fantasy VII. Yeah, why not? I mean, I have several different, yeah, inventory systems already, like for Chrono Trigger, I believe. So the basics of a Chrono Trigger one, but still, yeah, it's basically the same. Like for example, you're gonna create. I can discover that absolutely. Basically, an item is nothing else than a data holder, and then you need to create a structure where we're gonna store all that stuff inside, and of course a user interface which is showing that. So I have no idea what the Final Fantasy VII one is going to look. So I'm gonna Google this pretty quick. Final Fantasy VII inventory, because most of the inventory systems are kind of same, they just look different. So most of the time you just see different images or something like that. So I'm gonna make it big. I'm not sure if I can show this here, but I just do. I don't care. So probably this one is the one you were looking at before, and I already have some kind of that system already. Meaning, there's a Chrono Trigger one, which I already have or have started. So where all these things are going to be here, also these little icons or can be shown and so on and so forth. So probably most of the stuff, this is currently a store, but like also equipping that thing might be an interesting part, which I haven't discovered yet. So yeah, we'll take a look into this and probably come back with your solution the next days, whatever. And yeah, cool. I'm happy that I also see some other people over here writing into the comments. Once again, I'm gonna stop the stream right now. I'm very thankful for the ideas. And yeah, I'm gonna go and hopefully see way more requests into the comments later on. So once again, don't be shy. Just write down to the comments what you want to see, what you want me to discover, and I'm gonna do my best to discover all of that. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this little request, session over here. And I hope to see your request soon inside the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye bye.